Hey Dave, absolutely love the YouTube channel. Thanks for putting out this content. Keep it up, man. You know me, I'm a pretty chill guy. That's why I wear these Hawaiian shirts. So now that I'm getting into commercial real estate investing, can you give me some tips on how to find the right lender so that the whole process can be a little more chill? Thanks for the question and great shirt. Looks a lot like one I have actually. If you're wondering how to find the right lender, this video is for you. So essentially, after you find your commercial real estate broker, you really want to find the right lender, the right commercial lender to guide you through the financing aspect of a commercial real estate purchase. I mean, if you have 100% cash and you're ready to, buy a building and you don't need a loan, then that is great. You can skip this. Most people are going to need financing to make their first commercial real estate investment. So there are really three things that I look for in a good commercial real estate lender. Now, why would I have an opinion on commercial lenders is we work with them all day long. A lot of my clients need loans, and so I have worked with a lot of commercial lenders, and there are a lot of amazing ones out there. What I would say, though, is having the right commercial lender is the difference between getting a deal done on time and getting it done right versus having a lot of stress and a lot of problems. So essentially, there's three things you want to look for. First is they are experienced. You want someone that has been doing this for a while and does specifically commercial real estate investing. You do not want someone that just started. You do not want someone that normally does home mortgages. You want a commercial real estate investor that has been in the industry for a very long time. On top of that, you probably want a lender that has experience in the specific type of property you're going for. If you're looking for an owner-user investment, you want somebody that's done a lot of owner-user deals. If you're looking for, leased warehouses, you want someone that's worked on a lot of leased warehouses because they're very different transactions and the financing can be entirely different. So you want someone that is an expert in exactly what you're looking to find. Another reason to talk to a lender up front is they're going to give you an idea of what, your ballpark, price range can be. So talking to a lender is going to save you a ton of time and really help narrow your search and make sure you're not wasting time on a building that you're never going to afford. Once again, you might also realize that you can afford much more than you thought you could. If you don't talk to a lender, you're just not going to know. I have clients all the time that think they're not capable of buying commercial real estate, and they talk to the right lender and realize that it's much more in reach than they expected. So that's why you want to talk to one first. So firstly, experienced. Second, responsive. If this sounds familiar to my video about finding the right broker, it is. You want a lender that is very, very responsive. Oftentimes when you're in transactions, there's a finite amount of days that you have to get things done. And if you have a lender that is not responsive or isn't giving your deal the attention it needs, you're going to end up blowing through your deadlines. And that is not a place you want to be, especially when you have deposits down and there's real dollars on the table that you need to make sure your loan is done on time and that the person you have is responsive. So one of the easiest ways to figure that out is when you're interacting with different lenders, and I suggest you talk to several, who's getting back to you quickly and who seems like they're really interested in working with you and feels good about what you're looking for. So responsiveness is key. Lastly, you want someone who is cooperative. This kind of goes hand in hand with responsive, but when you're buying a commercial real estate building, you really have a team. You have your broker that's going to help you find the deal, and you have your lender that's going to help you get the loan, but they need to work together. They need to work with you. You want a lender that is, fine calling the broker, fine calling you, and talking about everything that comes up as it comes up. You don't want someone that just kind of gets in their silo and, doesn't respond unless you reach out. You want someone who is able to work on a team and really, make sure that they're communicating with everybody. So I think those are three really important things to think about when you're looking for a commercial lender. If you're looking for some recommendations, feel free to reach out here at Carlson O'Connell Commercial Real Estate. That is all we do is commercial real estate, and I know a lot of great lenders. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Really appreciate it. If you got any value out of it, if you could please hit subscribe, we'd appreciate it. We're putting out one video a week, and this helps us kind of grow the community and get this information out there to more people. So thanks and have a great week.